Hey guys, it's Randy Bable here, your realtor, and I'm back out here at Douglas Lake, and I've got a beautiful lakefront home that's nestled in quiet solitude right on some beautiful water here at Douglas Lakes. Tell you what, it sure is a beautiful spot. There's not too many places at all like this left in Sevier County in the Smoky Mountains, sitting on Douglas Lake with this beautiful water right here at your back door. Douglas Lake is only a few miles from Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, and the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home located on the Sevierville side of the lake features an open plan living area, brick fireplace, vaulted ceilings, beautiful large picture windows looking out to the lake, gourmet kitchen, modern appliances, solid oak timber floors, and a main level master bedroom with plenty of closet space. The mudroom, with washer and dryer connections, leads off the double garage with plenty of room for both car and boat parking. Heading upstairs, the solid timber floors continue. You'll find 2 additional bedrooms, both with ceiling fans, great natural lighting, and vaulted ceilings. As a bonus, there's a great room, perfect for home office, studio, or for some fantastic storage. The bathrooms on both levels are very well presented, with comfortable space and quality finishes. Heading downstairs is a full-sized, unfinished basement, ready to be made into an additional living space. It's even plumbed in for future kitchen or bathroom. It also has a private walkout to the full-length deck, same as the main level above. Imagine sitting out here as the day goes on, enjoying the sights and sounds of lakefront living. The current owners love the privacy that the young trees on the lot provide, but anyone wanting a full view of the lake or desire their own boat ramp can easily clear this light timber to create the views and lake access of their dreams. Now this beautiful home is really one that you need to take a drive or get on your boat and come out here and take a look, because homes like this sitting on Douglas Lake with this kind of water, there's just not that too many available. I tell you what, pick up the phone, give me a call. All my details are right down here below. And let's see if we can get you out here and take a look at this beautiful lakefront property and see if it's the home of your dreams here on Douglas Lake.